Okay, when you are ready to use the glowforge, the first thing you're going to need is an image or some type of something that is a phrase or an image. You need an image basically. And so you can either go to Google and use their images, or you can create your own image by doing your own drawing or your own saying, or you want to put your own autograph or something onto it. You can do any of that. So maybe if I want to put a Packer logo, I'm a Packer fan. Packer image, or let's go Green Bay Packers. And I click on, let's go to images. I really like this Wisconsin logo right here with the G in it. So I'm going to go to copy image. I'm going to then go to Microsoft Word, and I am just going to put that onto my Microsoft Word, and I will print it off from there. So I right click, paste, and we'll see if that image is what I want. That looks like a fine image to me. If I wanted to make it smaller, I can, but it doesn't really matter because you can make that image smaller once you get it into the glowforge. So then I'm just going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Print, and it's going to print to the RMS CAD. As long as you're in the tech headroom, it should print. So we'll hit Print, and then I'll show you here a video in a second of what that looks like.